to another episode. We are in the workshop today. We have a list as long as my arm to get on with this morning. But the first thing to do is subscribe, please, because I'm hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. And I can only do that with you guys pressing that button, so would be much appreciated. Right, first job then, as you can probably see, not something I usually do, and I don't really know how to do it, but we're going to work it out, is a chair repair. So let's spin you around and we'll show you what I've bought and hopefully doing it. So there's a chair, obviously. There's the broken bit, obviously. That should be there like that, but it's not because it's broken. So the best way I think of doing it is biscuit jointer with some wood glue and some clamps, which is what I've bought on eBay over last weekend. I knew this was on the list of things to do, so I thought, well, I haven't got any of the bits to do, so I'll have a look. So I managed to pick this biscuit jointer up with the biscuits. That's my container. So 0, 10 and 20 size biscuits. So it's got 10 written on it, look. They were all just chucked in around here, so I've just sorted all them out. So yeah, I haven't got a clue how to use this, but it doesn't look too difficult. Guessing that's your angle of your faceplate. I think that's got 20, 10 and 0 on it, so I'm guessing you adjust that to what size biscuit you have. So 20, and then there's a button on the side. Look, it's an angle grinder just with a funny bit on the front. So you push that, and then the blade, that's your blade there. It's a bit like it's the same as a circular saw blade. So you can see, so that's that. So I'm guessing that you adjust that to what size biscuit you're on, and then you line it up and push it in when it's going. Speaking of circular saws, my circular saw packed up last week. So we've got to have that. That's on the list of things to do. Take it apart and see if we can fix it. I think it's a switch, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But the other day it didn't work at all, so I had to get my new one out. So my new one's now in the pack out and is dirty. Anyway, back to this wood glue. Don't know whether it's any good or not, but it's Everbuild. Their stuff's meant to be quite good, I think. And just some cheap clamps on eBay. 17 quid I think for 2. They're a bit big, but they'll do the job because they'll do for other things. And as you can see, what they're sat on is I've been skip diving again. I pulled that out of a skip yesterday, so we're going to go through that. That's going to be another video because it wants a bit of work. So we might do a little restoration video on a Snap-on toolbox. I think it's the 3-drawer. It's bloody heavy, so I think it's got tools in it. Well, I haven't actually opened it and had a look yet. It's probably full of concrete now, my luck. So yeah, bits have come for the floor saw, bits have come for the whacker, bits have come for the dumper. So we've got loads of pipes to replace. I think there's 14 there to replace. Just painted that, giving that another coat for the floor saw. Something exciting in there, which will be another video. That's not what's in the box, what it says on the outside. I think that's about it. I think. Well, anyway, we're going to get on with this because I've been distracted. So we'll set you up on the tripod and we'll try and repair this chair somehow. Something a little different on the channel, why not? We get up to all sorts. So yeah, not too bad. Yesterday I was PDIing a 3-ton Meclac dumper and 2 road rollers, and a little Wackenhausen remote control trench compactor. So yeah, I get up to all sorts. Right, so let's set you up. Let's get this plugged in. See if we can repair this chair or not. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but we'll make it up as we go along. I think you're probably going to use the biggest biscuits, so they're 20s. So I'm guessing what, 3. You'll get 3 in there. Googles. Is there a certain place to hold that? Does that come down? Oh, I see. So this comes down then, and so you've got your 90 degree. So if we lock that off then at 90 degrees, and that should slide in then and push it in. Shall we, 90 degrees, isn't it? It's locked off. If I switched it on at the wall, wouldn't it? Right, let's have a go. So that blade won't sharp me, or what's a new one? I think we pretty much just burnt a hole in it. So there we go, so that's our first hole. You can see it's a bit burnt. So 20 biscuit in there. I sort of glue that, I guess, and you glue that in and then you do the same that side. I don't know how you line that up. Let's do the other 2 holes. Do we do the other 2 holes? Yeah, I don't know. No idea. Take that out. Let's put the bag on so we're not making such a mess in the workshop. I think we're only going to get 2 in there by the look of that. So, got to do this one. So pencil. So you line that up with that end there, like that. And make a mark there and there. There and there. We roughly know where the thing's got to go. Again, somebody in the comments will tell me I'm doing it wrong, but they probably know, well, people will know more than me because I haven't got a clue what we do. So, how do we hold that then while we're cutting that? I don't really want to put my fingers anywhere near that. Should we clamp it to the chair and do it? That's going to be in the way there, isn't it? Probably goes a lot better with a sharper blade in it. Let's see if we can buy a blade. Probably never going to use it again. Right, so if I put that biscuit in there then, and join that up to that. Well, and that doesn't go together. So have I not got that set right? set to 20. That's set to 20, but it doesn't dug in enough. Like it's. Or am I doing this wrong? Yes. D? Is that a D or a 0? 5. No, this doesn't make any sense. Max? Who's max? S20. 0, 20, S. D, max, 0, 10, 20. Well, the arrow is pointing there, so I would imagine that's 20. That doesn't seem very... Not sure. That's maxed out, that's 20. Why not done that one correctly? No, that's maxed out and that's gone in, so that... I'm not sure then. That definitely doesn't sit in halfway, does it? Or have I not got it square? Is that the problem? Ooh. Near a V8 Scania. No, that 20 definitely doesn't fit in there like that. It must... The 10 fits in lovely. I think we'll just do a 10. I would have said a 20 would have been better, but that's something. It must be doing something wrong, surely. Probably should have tested it on a bit of wood first before I started right on the chair, but Max is quite... Oh, that blade is well and truly knackered. What's he been cutting with that concrete? Two 10 biscuits then. Well, I reckon we glue that then and clamp it up. That's that, I reckon. This 20's definitely won't fit in there. No, not a chance, even if you hammered it in, that wouldn't fit. Let's do 10. Alright, glue. Sets in 10 minutes apparently, fast cure. Brings me back to my what was it called? design and technology in high school. This does with bloody wood glue and bits like this. My favourite class that was. That's all glued up. I guess you put some in there then. And then push it together. Make sure that it's lined up. Cheers. And let's get a clamp on it then. It's got a clamp through that middle there. Bloody glue would have gone off by the time I finished faffing around with it. That bit of excess glue off. Glue off, because I don't want a sticky bottom. Glue on the underneath. Oh, it's come out the bottom nicely. Oh, it smells like PVA glue. God, it does bring you back to the school days. Right. Well, that worked well, didn't it? Because the bloody chair's curved, that's the problem. Still pushing more glue out. Right, I think that is that. I'm going to go and put it out now in the sun and leave it to do what it does. So yeah, I will let you know when we've update you when we've got it off, when the clamps are off. But yeah, that's that. Bit of an odd video. I don't know whether I've done it correctly or not, but let me know in the comments. Yeah, that was that. So yeah, so we've got plenty to get on with now. So circular saw, box, other box, floor saw, whacker plate. These, I think the whacker plate I've done a video on. I should do another video on how to change the bout, because that's what needs it. Floor saw, carry on with that video. This is going to be a separate video, and that is going to be a separate video, because why not? Oh, and that's going to be a separate video, because content, why not? Anyway, if you like the video, not there's much to like, because we just repaired a chair. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.